We return to the epicenter of World Cup football greatness this evening to focus on another great Brazilian World Cup champion, another star among stars on that imperious 1970 champion team, Jairzinho, a powerful, pacey, skillful, and versatile attacker who played as the main striker, sometimes as the second striker, a left winger or a right winger, as well as an attacking midfielder. In that 1970 World Cup, Jairzinho scored in every single game of the tournament, as the Brazil team, widely regarded as the best national team of all time and certainly one of the greatest ever World Cup champion teams, lifted the Jules Rimet Trophy for the third time inside the Azteca Stadium in Mexico City. That Brazil team was filled with superstars such as Pelé, Gerson, Tostão, Rivelino, Carlos Alberto. It was therefore not easy for any one player to stand out. Well, in that 1970 World Cup, Jairzinho was the top Brazilian scorer and star performer, delivering crucial goals every time Brazil needed them. Jairzinho, who hailed from Rio de Janeiro, made his senior club debut for Botafogo at 15 and played his first game for Brazil at 19. Now, like almost all Brazilian greats, Pelé, Jairzinho, straight down to Ronaldo and Neymar, they all started playing big man football from them a little boy. And that is one of the reasons why Brazil has produced so many stars among stars and World Cup champions, such as Jair Ventura Filho, aka Jairzinho. Again, football never starts with Lionel Messi.